Okay. Remember yesterday? Okay, you don't have to yell yet. But remember yesterday? What did I tell Daddy about that chair? What did I tell him? What did I tell Daddy about that chair? And I pointed my finger. I pointed my finger. And I pointed my finger. And we said, don't move that chair. We said, don't move that chair. And then what? And then what? And I pointed my finger. And I went like this. I pointed my finger. I said, do not move that chair, please. Yes, we were very upset about it. Yes. Yes, you were very upset about it. Why were you so upset about it? What made you so upset? What made you so upset? Huh? Well, you went like this and you pointed your finger.